The OpenScope MZ is an awesome open source oscilloscope tool that connects to your computer via USB or over Wi-Fi. Let's take a quick look at how to use it. First, you'll need to download the Digital Agent software onto your computer. This allows your browser to take readings from the USB port. Next, go to waveformslive.com. This is where the readings are going to show up. First, you'll need to add a device, and I've created a getting started tutorial just for that. Once it's all set up, plug your device into the orange and black wires on your OpenScope. I'm using this little PCB piano toy from Tiny Circuits. Hit the single button to take a quick sample and take a look at how your waveforms look. Nope, stop. Super cool, right?